Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Giselle Paula Bolaño, and I'm going to share with you my presentation about effects of technology on the environment. Let's start it. So, technology has been one of the best inventions of the human beings because with it we have made better progress. The technology allows us to know more about new processes that contribute to the preservation and conservation of the environment. But nonetheless, it has been impacted negatively due to the excess of industrialization and bad management of the new technological advancement. So, positive and negative effect of technology on the environment. Positive. Technological advances, new process to mitigate water and air pollution, better communication networks, easy access to communication channels, and negative effects. So, water and air pollution, the excess of industrialization, the bad management of the new technological advancement, and also the atmospheric pollution. Second, so how I see the future of our planet. So if we keep doing what we are doing until now, our planet will be affected by the high levels of global warming, air and water pollution, ecosystems destruction, and also extinction of living species. But I think it can change. We can change that because we can implementing educational process that improve to take care of our planet. So, a strategy to mitigate the environmental damage. So, one of these can be taking the bus instead of using the car, maybe riding a bicycle. It would help to mitigate automobile emission, saving energy by part of industries and from houses, saving water, reuse, development, educational process to take care of the environment, teach children from early ages how to properly recycle from houses using the information and communication technologies. It's never too late to take care of our planet. Thank you.